Okay, here we have another application problem. This is one I always like, because it talks about something called fun noodles. Years ago I came across this problem. I was using the same textbook, and I really thought the textbook author just made something up. So we're probably talking 10 or 12 years ago now. I didn't know the fun noodle was a real thing, but now they actually are. And so you can see probably about how this problem is based. Well, they don't actually give you the time, but those are pretty high prices for fun noodles, $5 and $6. So once again here we're asked to come up with an equation. So as we read the problem, it says $5, those sales will be 5,000. Now in the next sentence it says raising the price to $6 will cause sales to fall to 2,000 fun noodles per day. There's two little words in there, "to" are very important. Take it out. We say raising the price $6 will cause sales to fall to 2,000. Okay, now we're somewhat talking about a little bit of a slope. And if you take the other two out and say fall, raising $6, fall 2,000 noodles, then we're definitely talking about slope. But it says at $6, you'll only sell 2,000 fun noodles. When we read the directions, it says sell price X, and number of fun noodles sold Y. And we're going to assume that relationship is linear. So we can write down the 2 points in the form XY. When they charge $5, they'll sell 5,000 fun noodles per day. And when they charge $6, they'll only sell 2,000 fun noodles per day. And so we have our 2 points, and we want to find the relationship again. We're assuming it's linear. Okay. So once we have our 2 points, we can forget that it's a word problem for a little bit. So we have 2 points. We want to find the equation of line. So we take the difference of line. Try to figure out what the line intercept B is. Let's say we pick the first 5 and 5,000. 5,000 for Y. Trying to get 5,000 equals negative 15,000 plus B. And then we want to solve for B, so here it's as simple as adding 15,000 to both sides. And we find out that B is 20,000. So our equation is Y equals a negative 3,000 X plus 20,000. Now that's part A of the question, so I've gone ahead and typed that answer in. And now it asks me to find out the number of fun noodles if cents, well, that's a Y value, okay, because X is the number sold, or sorry, X, I'm sorry, that's an X value. Right, price X. Right, price X, number sold Y. So that 550 that they're giving us, that's an X value. So we go right to our equation, plug in 550 for X. So it's negative 3,000 times X. And when you do, we'll find out that Y will be 3,500 Fun Noodles. So if we charge $5.50, we'll get 3,500 Fun Noodles. Now those are the only two questions the problem in the homework actually asks, but we could ask other questions as well. We might ask, for example, what price should they charge? To sell 10,000 noodles. Well, now I'm giving you not the X value, but the 10,000 is the number sold, the Y value. So we plug 10,000 in for Y.
Saw a picture of a hamster on Facebook.
I'm recording.
Sorry.
Sorry about the interruption there. So we plug 10,000 in for Y. So 10,000 equals negative 3,000x plus 20,000. So to solve for x, we'd subtract 20,000 from both sides. Oops, not 2,000, 20,000. So we subtract 20,000 from both sides. That would give us the equation negative 1,000, or negative 10,000, equals 3,000x. And then we can divide by 3,000. And since this is a word problem here, we really do prefer a nice decimal number. Rounding to the nearest cent, we should charge $3.32 per Fun Noodle if we want to sell them. So that's just another example of the type of question that you could be asked once you have the equation.